Hi everyone, Abhimanyu this side from TNT Realty Gurgaon. So today we are here at Sector 67A, Golf Course Extension Road, Gurgaon, to showcase you a project which is by the name of Aradhya Homes and is being developed by 4S Developers. Come, I'll show you the product. So we are standing right outside the sample floor, what we are here to show you today. So before I enter the sample floor, I would like to tell you about the product, where we are standing, the entire brief about the project. So the name is Aradhya Homes, which is built up by 4S Developers. The sector is Sector 67A. It is in Ansal Essentia, Varsalia. They are talking about the connectivity of this land parcel where we are standing right now, or Ansal Essentia, Varsalia. You have three connectivities. One connectivity is from main 60-meter road, which connects you from the main entrance of Ansal Essentia. Second would be the Sona Road, which connects you directly from the Sona Road. And the third is from the C block of Ansal Essentia. So there are three connectivities. And talking about Aradhya Homes, there are two blocks. So G block and H block. So the two blocks, talking about the G block, where we are right now, where the sample floor is, it is of 300 square yards, plot size is of 300 square yards. Now talking about the garden, yes, we do have a garden of 1.52 acres of green area, right in the center of the vicinity of all the floors. It is a power backup society, which has 24/7 power backup. It is a community living because it is a gated society. And then talking about the floors, it is built up by the latest FAR, which is 2.64. So you have stilt plus 4, as you can see. The structure or the facade of the building is stilt plus 4. So in 300 square yards, the built up area is of 2200 square feet. And talking about 275 square yards, the built up area is of 2100 square feet. So now talking about the two blocks which are there, it is G and H block. G block has only 300 square yard plots, and total number of plots which are there are only 23. And talking about the H block, we have 43 plots which are mixture of 275 and 300 square yards. So as I told you that the structure of the building is stilt plus 4, we are now at stilt of one of the sample floors being built up. So as you can see, this is the stilt car park. So it has 2 car parks per floor. So the best part in Aradhya Homes or this project would be the car parks are not back to back, they are side by side. So talking about side by side, as you can see on your right hand side, this is how you will be parking your car. Rather than it is back to back, so it can create a confusion in the early morning, so that whoever wants to leave, they have to take out their car. So it is not like that. It is all the car parks are side to side. And the best feature over here is that they have combined 2 plots together, so that it gives you a grand entrance. Talking about the main entrance of the plot, or you talk about the lift area. Come, I'll take you to the lift area and the staircase, so that you get to know the grand living, what it will be in Aradhya Homes. So this is the lift lobby area, which connects both of the floors and the entrances to one part. So you have 2 lifts, as you can see, and the lifts are by Aspire elevators, and which connects all the floors till 4th. So you have still plus 4, you have the access from the lift till 4th floor, not the terrace. So now I'll show you the sample floor. So now we are at first floor, which is the sample floor. Come, I'll show you the sample floor now. This is the sample floor. The built-up area of this floor is 2200 square feet, which consists of 4 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. Come, I'll show you the bedrooms one by one. So this is the first bedroom, and the size of the room is 12 feet by 14 feet. Talking about the inclusions, what you will get, I'll start from the flooring. You'll get petrified tiles. Then talking about the false ceiling, what you will get, and the wallpapers on the wall. This room is also connected to the balcony. So the washroom is connected to the bedroom. And talking about the wardrobes, yes, we do have one set of wardrobes in the washroom, and the vanity spaces, which is done up by Radon. Talking about the bath fittings, which are done up by Jaguar. So this is the second bedroom. Talking about the size, this is little bigger than what we saw, the bedroom 1. So the size of this bedroom is 12.2 by 15.2 feet. So this has also a walk-in closet, as you can see, which is connected to your washroom. So every room in this floor is connected to a washroom. We have a balcony access to this room also. So this is the third bedroom, the smallest bedroom of all. This bedroom can also be used as a guest bedroom because the size is 12 feet by 12 feet and it is connected to the washroom. The washroom of this bedroom also opens up to the living room. So this is the master bedroom. As you can see, the inclusions in the master bedroom, the flooring is different in this room. Talking about the size of the room, it's 11 feet by 14 feet. We have a walk-in closet also in the master bedroom, which has been usually seen in all of the master bedrooms around. And the washroom, we have the vanity done up in the washroom. We have the false ceiling done up. So as I said, all the rooms are connected to the balcony. So we are in the master bedroom. So this opens up to the front balcony, which gives you a beautiful view, as you can see. So we are in the front balcony, which gives you the access from the master bedroom, and also it is connected to the living room. So as you can see, the view from the front balcony is a fabulous view because you get to see the Aravali's, because Sona Road is just 5 minutes away, and also you have a beautiful view early in the morning for the Aravali's around. And secondly, you have a green park, which is the dedicated park of around 1.5 acres right opposite to your house. So I'm in the living room right now, and talking about the living room, the size of the living room is 12.5 feet by 16.2 feet, which gives you ample space of how you want to create it. As you can see, we have created the living room and still we have space to move around. So you have a good choice because of the size that you can create your living room according to your wish. So I'm in the dining area now, and talking about the dining area, the size, again, it is a big size, which is 15 feet by 15 feet. So not just a 4-seater or a 6-seater table, but yes, you can go for an 8-seater table also in this area. We are in the kitchen right now, and talking about the kitchen, the size of the kitchen is 8 by 16 feet, and it is a complete modular kitchen that you will get, not just the chimney and the hob, but yes, you will also get the appliances in this kitchen. So talking about the appliances, you have the griller. And then next you have the microwave oven that you get, and it is a complete modular, as I said. You can have a look, and all the appliances and the chimney and the hob is being given by Faber company, as you can see. And the kitchen is connected to your utility balcony, which also connects the two of the bedrooms. So you have a good space of utility balcony which connects you through the kitchen also. So as you can see the balcony, so not just a utility balcony, but yes, it's a big balcony which connects 3 of the areas, I would say 2 rooms and 1 kitchen. So 3 of them are connected to this big balcony. Also we have a water outlet over here which you can use for a washing machine, and also we have 2 air conditions which will be part of the deal. As you can see, it is a normal split air condition. So now talking about the inclusions, what all you will get in this floor once you buy it. So I'll start from the stilt. You will get 2 covered car parks. Then coming to the floor, you will get vitrified tiles all over your place, in the rooms, in the living rooms and the dining also. So after the flooring, you have the paintwork which will be done up, including the wallpapers. Then you have a Hikvision video doorbell which will be a part of the deal. Then coming to the kitchen, yes, not just the chimney and the hob that you will get, but you will get the appliances from the Faber company also. So a complete modular kitchen with the appliances that you will get. In the washrooms, you will get the vanity spaces done up. And talking about the rooms, you will get the false ceiling in the entire house, and also the wardrobes in each and every room. So this would be all the inclusions that you will get in the house. So this was the walkthrough of a sample floor which are coming up here by the name of Aradhya Homes by 4S Developers. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, please hit the like button and share and support as much as you can. Thank you so much.